One of the most popular videos on our channel is called What Happens to Your Body When You Fall into a Black Hole. We've been dying to make a follow-up about what you would see if you were to fall into one of these cosmic mysteries. So here you go. Before we begin, be sure to click that subscribe button so you never miss out on any future videos from us. Now let's jump in. It's no secret, black holes are one of the most terrifying phenomena the universe has to offer. Even though they can't technically be seen with the naked eye, there are plenty of telltale signs that help astronomers know they're there. But what if you could look inside one? What would you actually see? Black holes are regions in space with gravity so strong, nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. To understand what you might see if you were to peer over the edge of one, it helps to understand what a black hole is in the first place. Most are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. All the matter in these collapsed stars is compressed together incredibly tightly. This creates a region where gravity is strong enough to prevent anything from escaping its pull, not even light. And this boundary is known as the event horizon. Once something crosses the event horizon, it can never come back out again. Not only that, but as you approach the event horizon, time slows down relative to an outside observer. As you cross the line, time essentially stops. Any light that gets too close to the edge of the black hole is pulled in and distorted by its gravity, creating a bright ring of light around the black hole. However, the thing is, if you were to try and observe a black hole, you wouldn't really be able to see it unless you're on or near the event horizon. Since light can't escape a black hole, it can't reach your eyes either. But it's what's happening just beyond the edge of a black hole that makes them so fascinating. One way scientists are able to detect black holes is by looking at how they affect things around them, such as stars and gas clouds. By studying these effects, we can learn more about what's going on inside a black hole. If you were somehow able to get close enough to see over the edge of a black hole, you'd likely witness some truly mind-blowing things. First and foremost, you'd see a lot of light. As we mentioned earlier, light gets distorted by the intense gravity near a black hole. It causes it to bend and warp in strange ways. This means that if you looked into a black hole, you'd be able to see light from very distant parts of the universe that had been bent by the black hole's gravity. In other words, you'd be seeing a view of the universe that was literally upside down. The farther away an object appeared to be from the center of the black hole, the farther back in time you'd be seeing it. You'd also likely see a lot of strange and unusual objects. As stuff gets pulled into a black hole, it often gets stretched and distorted in the process, which can make it look like weird, long noodles or other bizarre shapes. You might also see entire stars being ripped apart by the black hole's gravity. If you were close enough, you could see all of the different layers of a star and how they're moving. Additionally, you might be able to see the surface of the black hole itself. Some scientists believe that black holes have a kind of surface that's created by all of the matter that's being pulled in. This surface would be constantly shifting and changing as new material is added to it. It would be extremely hot and emit a large amount of radiation. As you continued to watch, you might start to see some strange things happen. Since time essentially stops at the event horizon, anything that crosses it will never be seen again. This means that if you saw anything cross the event horizon, you'd never be able to see it come back out. Additionally, since light can't escape a black hole, anything that falls in can never be seen again. This means that eventually the only thing you'd be able to see is the bright ring of light around the black hole. Everything else would be completely dark. If you're curious about how long you would survive if you were to fall into a black hole, we made a video about that. Check it out right up here. If you wanted to see something like this for real, you'd need to be very far away from Earth. That's because there are thought to be many black holes in the center of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. However, it's very unlikely that we'll ever be able to see one for ourselves. That's because our solar system is in the middle of the Milky Way. This means that we are far away from the center of the galaxy and the supermassive black hole at its core. Additionally, black holes are very difficult to detect because they don't emit any light. They can only be observed by studying how they affect things around them. So far, we've only been able to detect a small number of black holes in our galaxy. That's why if you wanted to see a black hole for yourself, you'd probably have to travel to another galaxy entirely. Unfortunately, even if you did manage to get close to a black hole, you probably wouldn't be able to see much at all. That's because the intense gravity near a black hole would rip apart your spaceship and crush you in the process. Even if you were somehow still alive, you wouldn't be for long. The intense radiation near a black hole would eventually kill you. So basically, if you tried to go see a black hole, you'd probably be dead before you even got close enough to see it. While observing a black hole from a safe distance would be amazing, the risks involved in getting too close are just too great. It's much safer and easier to study black holes using telescopes and other remote sensing devices. With these tools, we can learn more about black holes without having to risk our lives in the process. In recent years, telescopes have made some incredible discoveries about black holes. For example, in 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon. This image gave scientists an unprecedented view of a black hole and helped them better understand its structure. Telescopes have also been used to observe the behavior of black holes as they interact with other objects in space. By studying these interactions, scientists have been able to learn more about how black holes form and evolve. One of the most exciting things about black holes is that they are still largely a mystery to scientists. We don't know what happens to matter once it crosses the event horizon. We don't know what the interior of a black hole looks like. These mysteries have captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. And there's still much to be discovered about these fascinating objects. As technology continues to improve, we'll be able to study black holes in greater detail than ever before. Who knows what secrets they're hiding? We hope you enjoyed learning more about what you would see if you were to fall into a black hole. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you never miss out on any future videos from us. Thanks for watching. Till next time.